If your vehicle is equipped with a different charger than the one being shown, see your owner's manual for more information. The normal or trickle charge connector can be locked to the normal charge port. When the auto mode is selected, this indicator will illuminate, and the charge connector will be locked while charging is active. It will unlock automatically when charging is complete. If lock mode is selected, this indicator will illuminate and the charge connector will be locked. It will only be unlocked when the unlock mode is selected. In unlock mode, this indicator will illuminate and the charge connector remains unlocked. To select a lock mode, use these controls to select settings, EV settings, then charge connector lock, and select your preferred mode. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.